Exercise 3.16 problem 4 discussion. A rectangular field is 20 meter long and 14 meter wide. There is a path of equal width all around it having an area of 11,111 square meters. Find the width of the path on the outside. It's an interesting problem. A rectangular field is 20 meters wide and 20 meters long and 14 meters wide. There is a path of equal width all around and having an area of 111 square meters. We are asked to find the width of the path on the outside. It's on the outside. It's not inside. It can be also inside. We have to be very careful about all these words. Now, given length is 20 meters and the width is length equal to 20 meters and width is we need to write width here. Okay, I missed out. So width equal to 14 meters. And area of the path is, just put an arrow, you can write it, okay. So width is 14 meters, area of the path is 111 meter square. We need to calculate the width of the path. The formula, area is length into breadth and area of the path will be area of the outer rectangle, maybe area of the inner rectangle. We will draw a small figure, then everything will become clear. To not worry about it now. Let the width of the path be x. Whatever we don't know, or whatever is asked, let's take it as x. Now you see, this is the rectangle 20 meters by 14 meters and the path is on the outside. So this is x meters all along. So you will have one more outer rectangle because of the path and the path width is x meters. So this is 20. So what will be the outer length? Outer length will be 20. You add x this side and x this side because it's equal all along. So the length of the outer rectangle will be 20 plus 2x. Similarly, this is 14. You are adding x here this side and x this side. So the outer rectangle will be 14 plus 2x. So what is the area of the path? Outer rectangle, okay, outer rectangle minus inner rectangle will be the area of the path. This path is nothing but, that is this area is nothing but outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. Okay, you got it? So this is how we need to do. And the outer rectangle dimensions, I have already got it for you. So calculate the dimensions of the outer rectangle, which as I said, inner rectangle 20 plus x on both sides. You have equal x on this side and x on this side, right? So it will become 20 plus 2x. The same goes for breadth, 14 plus x on this side and x on this side will become 14 plus 2x. Okay, next, calculate the area of the path. Using area of the path is area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle and equate it to 111 meter square because we are told the area of the path is 111. So as I told you, area of the path is outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. That will be the area of the path. Am I right? So when you cut this off from this, let's say you have two big rectangles drawn on a cardboard. If you cut this rectangle out, you will get the area of the path. What is cutting means? Subtracting. So area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle will be area of the path. So you can do that and you will frame another equation. So area of the outer rectangle is 20 plus 2x into 14 plus 2x. And what is the area of the inner rectangle is L into B, that is 20 into 4. So substitute those values, you will get a quadratic equation in x. Okay, so you'll get a quadratic equation. Now solve that quadratic equation and get the value of x. Am I right? So this step will give you a quadratic equation. What is the area of the path? That is 1, 1 and 1. And what is the area of the outer rectangle? 20 plus 2x into breadth is 14 plus 2x. What is the area of the rectangle? That is 20 into 14. Or if you look at the figure, area of the outer rectangle is length into breadth. 20 plus 2x into 14 plus 2x. So that will come here. What is the area of the rectangle? Inner rectangle 20 into 14. That will come. 280 will come. And area of the path is 111. So simplify this. Substitute and simplify. You will get a quadratic equation next. Solve that. You will get an algebraic expression. Solve that algebraic expression. Simplify it. You will get a quadratic equation. And solve the quadratic equation, you will be able to get the value of x. So what I suggest, Pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. The solution. So let the width of the path be bx, and this is our figure. So the length and the breadth of the outer rectangle will be, the inner rectangle is this 20 by 14. The outer rectangle is 20 plus x this side and x this side. So it will become 20 plus 2x. Similarly, the breadth will be 14 plus x this side and x this side. So it will become 14 plus 2x. Right. So area of the outer rectangle is length into breadth, that is 20 plus 2x into 14 plus 2x. Area, that is which you can expand, that is 20 into 14, 280, 20 into 2x is 40x, 2x into 14 is 28x, and 2x into 2x is 4x square. If you rewrite this, this will become 4x square plus 68x plus 280. This is area of the outer rectangle. Next, we have to find the area of the inner rectangle. Inner rectangle is length into breadth, that is 20 into 14, that will be equal to 280 meters square. Now, we are given the area of the path is 111 meters square. We know which is area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. That is this minus this equal to 111. So, write that. So, 4x square plus 68x plus 280 minus area of the inner rectangle is 280. That is equal to area of the path 111. Now, you simplify this. This will become 4x square plus 68x plus 280 minus 280 will cancel off. Okay, this will cancel off. Is equal to 111, or 4x square plus 68x minus 111 equal to 0. And this cannot be factorized. It looks, let's apply the formula method. So, what's the formula method? A equal to 4, B equal to 68, and C equal to minus 111. It is minus 111. Okay. So, the delta, the discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that is 68 square, minus 4 into a is 4 into c is minus 111. So, all these things leads to 6400. Now, what is the roots? By formula method, the roots are x equal to minus b plus or minus root of delta divided by 2a. So, that will be b is 68, so minus 68, plus or minus delta as we found as 6400, and a is 4, so 2 into 4 is 8. So, this will be minus 68 plus or minus root of 6400 is 80 divided by 8. Now, x will be equal to, when you take the positive sign, minus 68 plus 80 divided by 8, that is 12 by 8 or 3 by 2. When you take the negative, you will get minus 68 minus 80 divided by 8, that is minus 148 by 8. But we know the x is a length, so x cannot be negative. So, which means we can reject this value. So, rejecting this value, we have the width of the path is 3 by 2 meters. Okay, now substitute this 3 by 2 meters as the width of the path, find the outer rectangle dimensions and do the verification on your own. Okay, thanks for watching this video.